Welcome to MacDermid, leading supplier to the global surface finishing industry. Today, we're going to see the home of R&D and marketing activities for the worldwide industrial solutions business. Innovation is the key to success, and record investment by MacDermid in its R&D capability helps ensure the timely delivery of new high-performance products to meet the ever more demanding requirements of the industry. The product development process begins in research. Our laboratory is equipped with the latest instruments to identify and characterize the raw materials which make new products. Let's start by taking a look at the equipment which quantifies the appearance of a finish. The spectrophotometer measures the color and lightness of the finish, while this device records its gloss and clarity to give a measure of the brightness and satin effect. We can look more closely at the deposit using microscopy. The state-of-the-art optical microscope has a magnification of up to 1,000 times, and software can then build a 3D image of the surface. While scanning electron microscopy allows us to get a magnification of up to 10,000 times, and it can also analyze for the elemental composition of a deposit. But we need to know a lot more about a coating than just its appearance. We need to know its thickness and how it performs in service. X-ray fluorescence gives a rapid and precise measurement of coating thickness. The tensile tester assesses mechanical performance, for example, the adhesion of a plated layer. Frictional performance is measured using torque and tension equipment. To get the coating needed, we must design products with the right combination of ingredients. How do we do this? A key step is product analysis, separating complex mixtures into their components. Chromatography is particularly effective here. HPLC for organic materials and IC for organic and inorganic ions. Liquid chromatography mass spectrometry also separates out the components. It then examines each one in detail, measuring its molecular weight, looking at the fragmentation pattern, and comparing it against a library of known products to confirm the chemical identity of the component. FTIR identifies the functional groups in a molecule. It can be used for both liquid and solid samples to look at materials adsorbed on the surface of a coating. We use UV spectroscopy to identify chemicals that absorb strongly in this part of the light spectrum. The potentiostat is used to measure the kinetics of electrochemical reactions, corrosion for example. The next stage in the product development process is bench testing. Here, research chemists test new formulations using standard benchtop methods. Now, the new products are ready to be tested under more industrial conditions. Here in the Process Development Center, we test new formulations on a larger scale to make sure they meet the customer's original specifications. Sample parts are also prepared in over 50 different plating processes. The tanks are equipped with the latest agitation technology and methods of filtration. These 300-liter tanks, with their ampere-hour controlled dosing pumps, allow 24-hour-a-day operation to establish the viability of a new product in conditions closer to real production. Typically, the process starts with pre-treatment, alkaline cleaners, acid cleaners. For decorative applications, copper is often used as the base layer, followed by nickel, multi-layer nickel for best corrosion performance. For corrosion-resistant finishes, zinc and zinc alloys are commonly used. Passivates and top coats enhance corrosion resistance. For wear-resistant coatings, electroless nickel and hard chrome are used. Of course, we can never afford the luxury of standing still, so work is in hand to install a new line for plating on plastics. After the development phase, training for both our staff and customers is key to the successful introduction of a new product into the market. We run industry seminars with our partners to discuss current industry issues and the role MacDermid can play in meeting their evolving needs. Thank you for spending time with us. This investment in R&D will ensure that MacDermid remains at the forefront of the surface finishing industry for many years to come. We extend an invitation to you to come and visit us. We'll be glad to discuss any questions you may have. When it comes to surface finishing technology, trust the company which says, "Yes, we can."